What's going on, you all? Today we're talking about how you can join the metaverse, and we just break down a simplistic process for you all so you can understand. It can be overwhelming to try to learn, so we're going to help you out today. Let's go ahead and get right into it. The easiest way we can understand the metaverse right now, in which we're going to talk about, is that we're going to look at from a VR standpoint, but not just any VR standpoint. We're going to look at the easiest virtual reality headset you can get into that can help you out understand it. And slow down, if you don't even own a VR headset and you still want to join the metaverse, stay in this video. We're going to talk about how you can join the metaverse without a VR headset. Also, the metaverse is not just Meta Quest 2, but Meta Quest 2 renamed themselves and rebranded themselves because they're trying to commercialize the metaverse for their own essential to help people out delve in a lot faster. The metaverse is just a Web3 essential in what is going on and how tech is going to take it to the next level from VR, AR, mixed reality, and more. And so what MetaQuest is doing, why hence the rebranding of their name from Oculus Quest 2 to MetaQuest 2, is that they really want to commercialize everything and make it an experience where you can transfer a lot faster and transition Web3, which goes to NFTs and blockchain, metaverse, everything that's technological, that's going into the future. And so that's kind of just the way. So delving into VR is already one great way to just be into the metaverse already. They have Horizon Worlds and everything like that. But like what I said, if you don't have a VR headset, keep listening. Dude, that's kind of the breakdown of everything. MetaQuest 2 kind of gets you in there. Mixed reality will get you into another level of VR gameplay. Haptics will help you out. Sounds, immersion. And so just how far, depending on how you want to go, that's already your leeway into the metaverse. Now, with VR veterans, the metaverse is going to be a lot more of a headache because MetaQuest is not the metaverse, but MetaQuest has renamed themselves to try to become that foundation for the metaverse and make it easier for the general public to want to join VR, metaverse, Web3, and more. That next level technological world, hence metaverse, meaning that that's going to be, that verse is going to be a technological universe that we then dive right into, especially after the next level when social media has come to a halt and we take it to the next level. A fun way to get yourself into the metaverse, you can do this on a computer or your phone, is that you want to be able to create yourself an avatar that can be generalized throughout the whole metaverse. Now, we did do a lot of updates on this platform, and so we want to talk about it some more. This is going to be Ready Player Me, similar to what people are familiar with Ready Player One. So yes, the metaverse is similar to what we're trying to go into Ready Player One. Obviously, hopefully not the bad stuff, but right here, you're going to create your own avatar. You go to Ready Player Me, and now you can create anything you want. You can upload your own photos. You can do it. You can go continue without a photo. You find faces. You find all this stuff and more. They've already upgraded it so much since I last went on it a few months back. And so what you can do, you can have your own photo, your own selfies. They're going to try to make it somewhat similar to you, or you can just start as a default slate. And then we can just put, see, like right here, we notice here, MetaMask can connect your wallet. So we can get Ready Player Me NFTs to your customization. So this Web3 already. So the easiest way possible to really join this metaverse, you can tell already, these are all into NFTs, and you can do that. And you can change everything. Just customize your avatar, and it's very easy. This is a free platform, and including trying to bring in your NFTs, which is next level. Now you can see right here, just you edit everything, anything you want in your avatar, whatever clothes you're gonna do, including NFTs. Like, they have much more gear now. They have upgraded this thing so much, and you can use all of this, upload this, and this will be your metaverse. You can use it all across everything very, very soon. So this right here, you'll just create yourself an avatar. That's just how it goes. Your skin color, mask, hats, whatever you like, whatever you're into. Kind of just like me, kind of like a weird version of me right there. And then next, what you want to do after that, you'll import it and stuff. So right here, you can see that now it's already fully imported. You can see my full thing, and then they have everything on here. So they have a blockchain metaverse. So you said right here, it says metaverse right here in the thumbnail place. And then they have animes, which helps you out with VTuber and more. And you could stream using this avatar if you don't want to share your face. They have Immersed. It helps you distribute teams. And then they have Live. You can do much more in. So this is a meeting VR. You have side quests. You have VR chat, which we are talking about right now, and V spatial. So with VR chat, you can do it without a VR headset, and you can do all of that entering into the metaverse. And just like that, literally, you can join the metaverse. You can do so much things in there. You'll import it, and you can take a look around, and you can play VR chat without putting on a VR headset. Like what I say, you could be on your computer and just rocking out. I played PC, just VR chat. I'm pretty sure certain laptops that qualify are definitely going to be able to do it. And this gives you a huge notion. So to wrap up everything, you just know the background of it, which is just Web3 and blockchain, NFTs, next level technology, and just being immersed. Virtual reality is the metaverse. That's a great foundation for it. MetaQuest 2 is not only the metaverse. You can use a lot of AR, VR stuff to be able to get into the metaverse. It's not just MetaQuest 2. But after you have like your essential foundation and recognizing that, then you can create your own avatar and use. So that's basically a weird version of me right now. After that, you can get into a platform called VR Chat. The best way to really staple in your foundation is utilizing VR chat. Have your avatar into this world, and this world you can do a lot of stuff. You can do activities, join different worlds, you can do exercise stuff, you can discuss, you can play pool, you can sit in jacuzzis, you can have drinks if you're older. There's just so much you can do on VR chat, and that already makes you into the metaverse. And something I want to cover also is that all these things that this free website does have, Ready Player Me, clear on the first app, it already offers you to join in on metaverse platforms with blockchain. And then it has animes that helps you out, really get eye tracking, face tracking, immersed. It just helps you out with just much more productivity and getting them to a workplace. Live helps you out with mixed reality, which mixed reality just means that you're going more into the game, kind of like a green screen essential. Meeting VRs for more professionals, kind of like myself. As I get older, I know that I need to be in places like this. And SideQuest is going to be perfect for Quest 2. VR Chat is what we just talked about. And V Spatial helps you out with just more of the workspace. So all of these you can literally get into immediately as soon as you have this. This avatar alone gets you into the complete metaverse easily. Nothing else. And so, yeah, so that's how you technically do it. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. That's how you join the metaverse basically overnight for free. So let me know what's up, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one, man. Peace.